Hey friends, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my channel Salva's Delicious Kitchen. I'm here today with a recipe from my own town, and that is Mangalore. Yes, you're right. You're gonna be learning a Mangalorean fish curry but green in color. Yes, it's gonna be a Mangalorean green masala fish curry which is gonna be super duper delicious. Now tell me, are you bored of having that normal orange color fish curry and you wanna try something very unique, and that is gonna be green masala in my style. I'm sure you all will love it, and I really want you guys to try this recipe. And for those who are new to my channel, I welcome you all, and I really hope you all subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon so that you do not miss any of my upcoming uploads. Ingredients are given at the description box below. Please do check it out from there, and also do not miss to check the extra notes. And here are the ingredients what we need to make the green masala. Here I have taken around 1 cup of coriander leaves chopped, and here these are around 13 to 14 green chilies depending on your spice level. And here I have taken around 3 pots of garlic, and this is a small lime sized tamarind soaked in around 2 to 3 tablespoons of water, and this is a very small onion. And another important ingredient of this recipe, here it is, and that is 2 cups of freshly grated coconut. You can take around 2 to 2.5 cups for this recipe. And here I have taken 1 full tablespoon of coriander seeds or dhania seeds, and this is around 1 teaspoon of jeera or cumin seeds. And here I have half teaspoon of peppercorns, which were around 20 to 25 peppercorns. And here I have fenugreek or methi seeds, which not to be taken more than quarter teaspoon. And another important ingredient is half teaspoon of turmeric powder. And then now let's rush to the kitchen and start with the first step of the recipe, which is of roasting the spices. Just wait till the pan is really hot and then add the spices. Do not heat them for more than 20 to 30 seconds. That's it. And then now let's grind the green masala. In the wet grinder I have taken coconut, turmeric powder, green chilies and coriander leaves with half cup of water, and then started grinding it. And then now if you're lucky enough, you might have a wet grinder. If not, please do continue it with your mixed grinder. Just make sure to make a very fine paste. I've added the tamarind soaked in water, and then here I'm adding the coriander seeds only, and then rest of the spices will be adding at the end of the recipe. I mean the green masala. Here once the masala was really fine, I added the garlic and onions at the last. And then here finally I'm adding the roasted spices, the rest of the one, which were fenugreek, cumin and peppercorns. And here was my green masala almost ready. And then trust me, it smells so good. And then now let me show you the ingredients what we need to make the curry now. And then this is the mackerel fish, or called as bangure in our local language here. And now let's move towards the recipe. And here this is the medium curry sized cut pieces of mackerel, which is washed and drained well. And I have the green masala ground with me. This is the same masala which we have ground. Just make sure to grind it to a very smooth paste. And then this is around 1 very small onion or half medium sized, and then this is a very small tomato which is totally optional, and 1.5 inches of crushed fresh ginger. And this is the rock salt which will complete my recipe. And now let's begin to make the curry. And here in a steel utensil I have taken the masala with around 2 cups of water, but I have added the water 1/4 cup at a time depending on the consistency you require. And then you'll be adding the sliced onions, tomatoes, salt and the ginger. Now you can see the consistency. It is really not very thick, not very thin. And then I'm adding the fish pieces. Now this is on a medium flame. Before the curry boils, I have added the fish and then closed the lid and waited it to get a boil. Please do use a earthen pot if you really have them, because these fish curries taste so good in earthen pots. And here my fish was cooked in just 5 to 6 minutes, and then I thought to season them to give that extra flavor. And here I have taken around 2 to 3 tablespoons of coconut oil, and then added 2 to 3 cloves of garlic crushed, and then adding some fresh curry leaves. Seasoning the curry is optional, but then doing this step would make it more flavorful. Wow, and then here our mackerel green masala fish curry is ready in Mangalore style. Trust me, this is going to be so flavorful, spicy, and then it's really going to taste so good. Spice level can always be adjusted, but you do not have to miss this recipe, and do give a try on this recipe and let me know in the comments below if you liked it or not. And I'm really sure if you're from a coastal sides, you will love this recipe for sure. And even if you're not, please do give a try and then let me know if you really liked it or not. And coming to our extra points, you can make this recipe with any fish of your choice, especially like kingfish, pomfret, or sardines also. And spice level can always be adjusted according to your taste. And do follow me on Instagram and share the pictures what you have tried from my channel. I would really love to share it on my feed. But just do not forget to tag me there on Salva's Delicious Kitchen. And I hope till now you all have subscribed to my channel. If not, please do. And thank you so much for watching. Take care guys. Bye bye.